Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm gonna make a heart in origami. Let's get started. First, start with the front side up, fold diagonally in half. And then unfold it. Now, fold vertically in half. And then unfold it again. Now, here's the center point. Now, fold the top corner to the center point. Here is the middle top point. You fold the lower corner to the middle top point. Now, I have these two bottom corners, so I fold them to the top middle point. Now, let's do this side. Let's fold the sides behind. Now for the top. You fold them behind too. There. You have a pretty heart. It's my wonderful heart. My lovely heart. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!